So, hi everyone. My new book, Lanchin in Your Pocket Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs, is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on hash 3 on Amazon bestsellers. So, grab your copies and find the link in the description below. Thank you so much. So, hi everyone. Today, we'll try to understand how to get started on Medium and the basic tips and tricks to get started. So, Medium is one of the best blogging websites that I know. I have been active on Medium for 4 to 5 years now, penned out about 150 blogs, and I think would be reaching 1 million views soon on the blog. So, let's get started. But before getting started, why you should choose Medium for blogging? I think there are many other platforms as well, like for example LinkedIn blogging also. But why to choose Medium? Because the SEO for Medium is very good, search engine optimization. So basically, if you're writing good content, if you're writing good blog, I think there are very high chances that it would appear in the Google search results very soon. So this has been the case with me. Like nearly one third or one fourth of my blog post comes in the first research page when you search about that topic. Medium is that good, right? I started off with LinkedIn blogs also, but the SEOs was pretty bad because eventually LinkedIn is trying to keep everything within its domain, so you won't be able to get it in the normal search as or if you're doing it on some search engine. So I think that is why Medium is a good platform to get started. Now, before getting started, you should be very clear with the goal why you want to blog. I think mostly the motive falls in these three categories: to earn money, popularity, or like you have a writing hobby. That's it. Now, let me tell you one thing. If you want to earn money, you need to take Medium Premium, which costs you around $5 per month. Right. Now, a big problem with this is that it's not about the money. It puts the content behind a paywall, and hence, any other member who is a premium member can only access it. This will reduce your footfall by nearly one fourth or one fifth. So the views for your blog will decline heavily, but you will get paid, right? So again, you have a recurring expense plus your reach will take a hit until you're getting enough views to make it profitable. Do remember this. For the second and third one, like popularity and for as you have writing as a hobby, Medium Premium is not required. I haven't taken Medium Premium for 5 years now, and you will reach a wider audience. But yes, no money would be there, right? Also, a big point is that even if you take Medium Premium, Medium doesn't pay in many countries, including India. That is the reason I didn't pick up. And also, I think I won't be picking up Medium Premium because it restricts the content for the common audience. Right. Now, talking about a basic structure, how you should structure your blog. So I don't know about non-technical blogs, but for technical blogs, I have been following this structure. First of all, I'll try to address why you should be knowing this topic, the use cases and application of the topic, right? That is why you would be interested in the mathematics and stuff. Okay, acha, I would be able to implement this in this particular use case. Apart from that, a brief explanation on prerequisites and jargons that you would be using. Hyperlinks, if you are able to, that's great. It is followed by a theoretical explanation about the algorithm. In my blogs are usually around explaining algorithms with examples. So I think the next step is to explain it theoretically and then provide codes using some dummy use case with results because it adds authority that the code works, right? Some GIS set point because if you're writing a very complicated topic, it should act as an icebreaker for people, right? So just a little bit of in and there so that the people can disconnect for a few seconds. Diagrams wherever possible, and tone should be friendly and informal. It should not appear that you are trying to teach something or like using heavy words. The language should be very easy and it should appear like a conversation, right? Picking up a niche, I think this is very important. You should be trying to focus on a single niche and rather than diving into multiple domains. I've been writing about AI and data science throughout these years with technical, non-technical posts like these here and there, both on Medium as well as on YouTube, because relevance again. Niche content connects deeply with the specific audience. Today I know that my audience would be around all the technical folks with data science or machine learning and specialty mostly. Expertise, it builds an authority for your name also. SEO advantage, obviously yes. If your particular video or blog is making it to a top list in a particular domain, it's high chances that other content from the same domain from your video from your channel will get an uplift. You will develop a community and monetization, obviously yes, paid partnerships and other opportunities. An important point that people don't know about Medium is that You can publish with a publication as well, right? Publication can be taken as mini groups, right? Like we have on Reddit or we have on LinkedIn, where you are trying to where they are publishing it on your behalf, and eventually it will be available for your audience also and for their audience also. Publications have a pretty big audience, so it will reach to a massive people to read, right? How you can reach out to a publication? The After you are done with your draft, there is an option to submit to publication. If you are already an author with that publication, the publication needs to add you as an author. If you are not, you need to drop them a mail ki I want to write on this topic, and want you to publish that. If they accept it, they look at your draft, they will add you as an author, right? Once they approve, the article becomes a part of the publication. So on the popular medium publication, I think 10 Better Humans, Startup, Mind Cafe, towards data science, talking about technical stuff. I'm also running a publication, Data Science in Your Pocket. If you wish, you can shoot me a mail as well. SEO optimization, I think this is very important for your blog to grow. I think you should be optimizing the content in your blog for make it more visible and higher ranking in search engine results, right? So basically certain things that you can do to improve your ranking in search engines is like use a heading that people might type in while searching the topic. So usually, if I haven't, I don't know, people have noticed or not. Whenever I'm writing about an algorithm, I usually write with codes and examples because usually people try to search for codes and examples about a particular topic. Use a subheading as well. Use an image. Use some major keywords in your first paragraph. And also for every blog, a Medium do provide you an SEO optimization option also in the settings. You can go and check that out, but don't do a keyword stuffing like you're just marking out all the keywords. Else your blogs may get banned. My blogs got banned a couple of years back. That is, I'm telling you, don't try to go for keyword stuffing, but make relevant sentences. Share with your network. I think it's important. Even though Medium is pretty good at ranking your articles, you should be sharing your articles on different platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, etc. Here you can see an example how I usually share my blogs on LinkedIn. Now moving on to writing, a strategy that I have been following is to write interconnected blogs. So like it's more of a blog series that I call it. So it helps the audience get information about a particular topic and not just one algorithm in that particular topic. Like for example, in reinforcement learning, I have written like 10 to 20 articles. Now I have mentioned that this is the article of a part reinforcement learning. So eventually, a person knows ki, okay, there are certain articles behind and after this as well. So it gives reach to your past articles also. It keeps them alive. Formatting options, I think Medium provides you with basic formatting options: bold, italic, header, subheader, codes also. You can integrate videos also, images also. You can even integrate your website also. So a lot of options with Medium. And some miscellaneous stuff is to check out what time to post your blog on the internet, right? Like for example, technical blogs published on Sundays, on weekends, usually don't get that much traction because the audience is usually enjoying or not interested in reading technical stuff. Pin your best post on your profile. What I've observed is that till now, in my 150 blog journey, is that writing very detailed posts grabs attention of a lot of audience. You should not be going shallow, but go as deep as possible, and use apt hashtags while releasing a blog. So here you can, once you submit your blog, here you can see that you can provide options to add hashtags. So do follow those hashtags which have a higher audience and are relevant to your content as well. Now, with this, we'll be wrapping this up. I hope you get started with Medium soon and publish your blogs as well.